How to increase or decrease brightness in Disney Speedstorm. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can increase or decrease brightness in Disney Speedstorm so that you can improve visibility, reduce eye strain and make the game more enjoyable. First things first, open the Disney Speedstorm game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the Options tab where you need to click on the Advanced Graphics button. Under the General tab that appears on the screen, click on the Brightness button. In order to decrease your brightness, click on the left-hand arrow button. In order to increase the brightness, tap on the right-hand side arrow button. Choose your brightness level according to your preference, and once you are done, you can head back to the home screen and start playing the race. Higher brightness can be used for bright rooms or daylight. Lower brightness can be used for dark rooms or night play. So that is how you successfully adjust the brightness level in Disney Speedstorm. Now you can enjoy clearer visuals and smoother racing with your preferred brightness level. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.